Hey guys, RR Expert here. I'm going to go short here. It's the 6th of January. I'm going to put my stop loss above here. Let's see if we can do some trading here. So the reason I'm enlarging this is because of all this here, you know. So I'm just picking and choosing, you know, which one it might attack. So I'm not looking at what some might call equal lows or equal highs. Yeah. Let's see. Again, seeing these clustered candles, wicks on the upside. I'm just gonna try to do a small scalp. You know, it's after what is it called? It's after 7, you know, 8 o'clock, 8-ish, when volume kicks in. So that's when we try to look for trades. I'm just gonna put this here, you know, because I'm gonna stop talking about these people, but because some of you, I mean, you just keep coming in the comment section and in Discord saying that, yeah, but your video is showing that they were getting respected. Yeah, obviously in hindsight, yeah, you can say, wow, look, wow, it respected this, it respected this. But show me the trades, you know, just show me a live recording of it being respected. No, I'm not going to participate in all that garbage that you guys do. Let me see. So a live recording of parallel gaps working and not saying it works in hindsight, yeah? Okay, again, now we're just doing small scalps, so we're not doing anything. Look, I did 150 RR. So you might be wondering, it's not the hour close and opening, it's not the 4-hour candle that I'm doing. So that's stuff that I already explained, so I'm not going to repeat that. I want to show you some other stuff that you can maybe look for, yeah. But these things are kind of difficult because you have to like develop this. And basically what I'm doing, and if you've been watching my previous videos or my latest videos, I'm talking about these kind of ranges here, you know. So these kinds of areas, some people might call them supply and demand. I don't call them that. I just say like either candles are clustered to each other or it's consolidating, whatever, you know. These words, they don't mean anything, but just look at what you're seeing. So we're seeing this. So price is trending here, stalling or struggling here, whatever, you know, it doesn't matter as long as you understand what you're looking for. Again, I want to emphasize this. So if you enter here, so like we did, and you just scalp something, you're always going to scalp something. But because a lot of you people have like this mindset of, I need to make 500 a day or 1,000 a day. No, just scalp what you can scalp. If you look at what the price is doing here, let me grab this. So price, so we entered here somewhere, I think it does this, and now it is doing this. So I'm not going to say, oh shit, I should have been in the trade, because with this model, the price can also do this. And that's why I'm saying just scalp what you can, you know. And we're just gonna look for the next one. Yeah? So don't worry about you not being in the trade. So it's really tempting to go in here for a short, but I'm hesitating because I'm seeing all these candles close to each other, so I'm not going to do it. But it's the same concept. looking for these kinds of areas. And why is this happening here? Well, obviously it's happening here. If you watch my previous videos, you know that if this is happening, often it has happened like a few minutes or hours or days or weeks ago as well. So just look to the left, Yeah, so good we didn't enter, but maybe it does want to go down now. Let me see. I'm just gonna remove this because it distracts me. But you see, I have my finger on here, just waiting for the move down. But if it doesn't happen, I'm not entering. And what most of you guys are doing, you're saying, oh, it comes in this area, I'm just gonna go short. So you need to have confirmation. And I don't know, there are people who are saying there are more confirmations. But the only confirmation that I've been seeing are these big moves, so the price suddenly moving away from the price it came from. So let's see here. Now, strong move down. Let's see if we can grab something here. Let me move this here. Okay, no problem. If we lose, not a big deal. Just going to look for the next one. So kind of my own fault there. I always talk about wicks, and you can see clearly wicks here. So should have just looked for a long. My own fault. Just gonna go long here for a scalp on gold. And this. Let me see. Yeah, okay, so not the best risk to reward, but I'm confident we can scalp some here. I'm gonna collapse this. It takes too long. Yeah, so that's the whole thing of what I'm doing. I want to see like these moves. And it comes here, doesn't matter. We grab some money, that's it. Go to the next one. Again, just don't look at the amount, guys. I just look at what I'm doing. I don't know why the amount is suddenly so much. It's still the E-mini. I also collapsed the trade because it's like not want to go up or down. And the equities are going to open in a few minutes. So let's wait till the equities open and then try to look for something. Here, this is another perfect example of me just getting out of the trade, and I'm now not thinking I should have been in the trade. Yeah, I just collapsed the trade. So whenever you just grab something, it's always good. Don't worry about the amount. Yeah, worry about risk management, because although the price did this, it could have also done this, and then stopped you out and then maybe then go up. So when it consolidates like this, you might want to reconsider if you want to be in the trade or not. If you look at this here, see all these wicks? So if you would have done a long here, your idea would not have been bad, but you would have been stopped out in a really bad way. Yeah. And sometimes these things happen, yeah. But don't let go of the concept. Obviously, we're seeing wicks, and it seems like there wants to be another wick, a big one. And because the equities will open in 3 minutes or 2 minutes, we're not just going to enter here for long, because we want to know what the equities want to do. Yeah, you see this? It's already making another wick. It looks like it, but sometimes you get wrecked, and you take one loss. Yeah, it's not a big deal. And the reason I'm saying this is because a lot of you people, you say, "Oh, it doesn't work. I'm gonna look for something else," and you guys are wasting your time on these things. Yeah. Also, this is a perfect example, a gap here and a gap here. And then when the price goes up, you guys will say it respected this, but what about this gap? And if the price now goes down here, you're going to say it respected this and not this. So in hindsight, you guys, you IST minions, you always have like an answer ready. But if I would ask you live now what is going to happen, is the price going to go down or up? You guys don't even know. That's why I have this on here. So equities are opening now. Let's see what the price wants to do. See, this is what happens, when you trade around equities open. It doesn't want to fill, or it fills very late. Yeah, you see. Let's see if it will close, because this is what happens when the equities open. You see, I didn't even touch it, but this is what happens. And this happens because I'm closing it, but it's not filling the order. And then it goes to the target. And so, again, when I closed it and then went to my order, it's just going to do a short, So this is just an example of trading around these hours is really gambling. But again, the whole purpose of these videos are not necessarily the time itself, but what are we looking for? So again, now we're seeing wicks. Again, we would have been wrecked here because we might have gone long here. But and then the price went down. But we didn't enter, so it doesn't matter. But I just want to give you the info, what to look for. I just want to mention something because when we talk about this gap, this one here, that has been violated, and this one here. So now you guys in hindsight are going to say, but it respects this. But the problem is that if you look at ICT's 2022 model, he also talks about there needs to be an impulsive move. But you can clearly see that ICT doesn't understand what an impulsive move really is, because we're seeing it here. It creates a gap, but the price goes up. Yeah. I mean, if you compare this move here to this, you would then trade this. I know for a fact a lot of you people, whether it be with paper trading or in your combine, I know for a fact you guys have been trading here for a short, because a lot of you people sent me screenshots and videos. But again, don't look at these gaps. I'm just proving every time, wicks. In my opinion, they are higher confluences than these gaps. So I want to go long here again, but I don't know if it's going to fill, so I'm just waiting for the market to cool down a bit. Again, when there is speed, I've been saying this in my previous videos, if you see these areas here, for example, and the price moves away, just look at the amount of, see how big this move is, guys. Yeah. So if the move does this, and I mean this green candle here, let me remove this. So this green candle that I'm highlighting here, if it just goes up in your scalp this tiny bit, and because there's a lot of volume, you're gonna have a good entry. But again, I mean, you have to decide for yourself. If you're saying 9:30, I'm gonna trade. I'm not advising it, but again, I just want to show these models based on the price action instead of just time alone. Also, to keep in mind, when we talk about risk management, always use your mouse to see how big these candles really are. So if you look at these, the amounts here, let's say we take this point all the way till here, okay? See, so from 35 all the way to 65. So, and this is where a lot of people also lose a lot of money because they think this is just a small move and they enter with the same contracts they did yesterday, not realizing that maybe the stop loss is going to be 400 or 500 euros or dollars. So you have to be very careful. Yeah, price is not really good today, guys. So I'm hesitant to just jump in. You know, I'm not seeing any confluences or anything else. This is what I do. You know, I'm not just gonna enter because I'm seeing something trending. You know, I wanna look for the things that I've explained in this video and in the previous videos. I'm gonna stop this video, guys, because I'm not really. I mean, the price just keeps going and going. It doesn't give a good retracement. I don't want to make this video long. Sorry if this has been a very boring video, but I just want to upload. I mean, for now, I just want to upload every day to show the consistency. And, you know, sometimes there is no trade, you know, and we have to accept this. And we're not going to sit behind the PC or the charts and then waiting for a opportunity, you know. I mean, have hard rules, you know, like, for example, say I'm going to trade for 1 hour or 30 minutes on the 15-second charts. Yeah. Okay, guys, have a good day, man. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.